So it's 6:12 in the evening. You can see there's a little bit blowing here. Don't look so bad. Some rain, you know, looks like it's rain hard. Nothing big. Then you come over to this side. Oh, it's calm right now for a second. Those trees a few minutes ago were about bent in half, and it was no wind in the backyard. It was crazy. The house ain't that dang big. So yeah, them things are flipping and whipping around. They're starting to almost whirl. There's supposed to be tornadoes in the area. So I guess maybe this is one of them videos we'll see the either make it big because we survived the storm, or we'll leave a legacy that we didn't survive the storm. But we'll get some video. Everybody else went to seek shelter and everything because we've lost power, cell service, and all that. The light you see is my little camping light, and but we're so anyway, everybody got the kids and all that to safety, so that way they're safe. And because this house isn't really tornado even resistant. So let's go look out the front here. Oh, the front, it don't look too bad. Just some rain. The jet plane sound is a bit concerning because we don't really have jets around here. I'm really hoping that's not wind or a tornado. We definitely have some. Yeah, that's wind or a tornado. We got something. I don't know where it's coming from, but we got something coming. Like a roar, and there it is again. Yeah, that's a high wind turbulence tornadic sound. I'm kind of just watching for trees to start falling to know which way to go, because I don't know at this point. I don't know if you can hear that. A roll of thunder, some wind. Kind of freaky. We're gonna try to ride it out a little bit though, because like I said, I don't even know which way to go. So I don't really know with the Bronco. I mean, where I'd go. So, yeah, it's kind of freaky not having no power, no phone service, no nothing, no way to hear weather, to know what's going on. You know, it's kind of freaky though. I guess this is what it'd be like back in the day, before technology, except that we wouldn't be filming it. By chance this is my last video or whatever, you know, if something does happen, you just know I had a good life. I love everybody, especially those who've been there for me. I wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for many of you guys. And just want you to know I'm awesome. I made my peace with the Lord, and if He's ready for me to come home, then it's time to go. Yeah, we're getting some more circular tree action. That's kind of cool. That's a higher wind. The wind is not really feeling it on the ground. You can see the stuff higher in the trees. one direction there, but then it changes. It's cold there for a second, then hot for a second. Got that greenish hue to the sky. Boy, I tell you, the conditions are just right. They're just right. But trying to hope this passes through. I have a wedding I'm supposed to do. Really moving. Trying to stay up under the cover of the porch here a little bit. So is TJ. Hi TJ. Say hi to YouTube or to whoever sees this. We're just, me and TJ are just riding around here. I don't know where the other cats are. Whoa. I mean, there's still vehicles going both ways down the road. That's gotta be a good sign. Nobody's like flipping out or driving fast or hazard flashing or nothing, but decent amount of traffic for us. I don't know. Well, we'll update some more here in a second. We're gonna pause for a little bit of a bathroom break. We're an hour into the fiasco without power in the survivalist situation, so I found this can of fruit mix is just gonna save my life because it's a nourishment I've needed, and I'm gonna have to figure out. I got shelter, I gotta figure out fire. That's what they always do on the shows. I think I'll skip the fire though because I'm inside. I do got good shelter. Don't really need a fire. It's tough out here surviving in the survivalist world. Watching the weather. No internet signal, no cell signal, or primitive out here. I just don't know. Survivalist situation. The microwave don't work. I had to use a hand can opener. You know, we are in survivalist times. But, Bear Grylls can make a real good living at survival tactics. Why can't I? And of course, we want to. I don't know how long the power is going to be out or when our next meal is going to be, because we might have to use a hand can opener or something again, or eat something cold or cook something with a propane stove or butane stove or something. So I don't know if we'll be able to eat soon. It's just a catastrophe. Oh man, I don't know how people do it. It's probably 75, 76 degrees in this room already, and I'm just sweltering mad heat. But when we're out here in survival situations, we just have to cope. You know, it's rough out here with just me and the dog. Just me and the dog in a life or death situation. Will there be an episode 2?